yeah. I'm like, holy shit.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's swept. We had just walked down the street.
You crashed in the water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It wasn't my fault. It must have been the wind or something.
Uh-huh.
No, it was.
So will it be easy to repair?
No.
Uh-huh.
We found it hit the water and was upside down, and like I told you, it stalled. If you have more resistance to the bottom of the wing going into the wind, then you get lift from the airfoil thing. It'll stall, and it turns to one side or the other, usually the left, and heads for the ground. So instead of trying to straighten it up, you need to get the nose down so it'll go faster enough to lift it. Rope loose on both sides. We're going to put a bigger engine in it. That's a Sato 54 cycle. We're going to put a Sato 65, which is a little bit faster. Okay.